how's it going? Here's a little sneak peek on the Big Block 400 build coming up. This is LUNATI timing set, valve springs, lifters, nice decent sized cam, nothing too major, but didn't want to have to change out the whole valve train, but I think it'll be pretty decent. So stay tuned because this is going to be coming up soon. So let's open the boxes up. I like that it has multiple slots for timing on the crank gear too, so that's nice. As you see, we got the double valve spring. Should be pretty decent. I have all the valve locks and all the new stuff for that. Just gotta get some valves. Nice lifters. You're gonna have to stay tuned and come back later and check out the opening of the cam when we're getting ready to do the install on it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Come on back and check out the opening of the cam when we're getting ready to do the install on it coming up. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned. Check out my channel to see the Big Block 400 build coming up.